Hi. Welcome. I know why you're here, and it's not to learn calculus. It's to join me in the simultaneous sip. So if you have your coffee ready, please join me. The question we're working on today is, find the derivative of the following function. H of t equals the integral from square root of x to x to the third of cosine of t squared dt. So how we're going to solve this question is we're going to take our integral and we're going to break it up into two separate integrals. So it's the integral from the square root of x to 0 of cosine of t squared dt plus the integral of 0 to x to the third of cosine of t squared dt. And now in order to use the fundamental theorem of calculus, we're going to have to switch the order of the boundaries of the first integral, and that comes at the cost of a negative sign. And we could keep the second integral as it is. So now we'll take the derivative of both sides of this equation. And that's the same thing as taking the derivative of each of the components of the right-hand side. And we'll use the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1 to take these derivatives. So the derivative of the first term is you replace each t with the square root of x, but it comes at the cost of multiplying by the derivative of the square root of x. And that's just the chain rule we're using here. And the same thing here. We'll replace t with x to the third, but it comes at the cost of multiplying by the derivative of x to the third. The derivative of the square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x. And the derivative of x to the third is 3x squared. And so you put it all together and this is what we get. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.